In this video, I will show how to insert text box in Microsoft Excel. So click on insert and here click on text. Then select this text box. Now draw your text box. Write your text here. Adjust the size, color and whatever you need. To remove this outline, double click here or click on Shape Format. Shape Outline select No Outline and click Anyway. To make outline bold, so select any size for outline. So this is the setting guys to add and insert text box in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.